My dear students, I hope all of you are safe at home with your family. The world is right now in a crisis. In this COVID-19 pandemic, though we might want to contribute to its recovery, we are ill-equipped. We cannot go out and help those who are affected, as in the case of floods, tsunami, etc. The only thing that is expected of us today is to stay home and contain the spread. The medical professionals and government would do the rest. A negative side effect of this lockdown period is depression and anxiety. Bombarded with doleful news and with nothing much to do, the mind tends to become devil's workshop. So, let us try to stay positive and make use of all this time as effectively as possible. A few days back, I was talking to my friend who is an Ayurveda doctor, specialist in mental health, psychiatry. He mentioned that as people are at home with nothing to do much, they are forcefully spending their time watching TV, social media and in playing games, particularly the youngsters. As they are involved in such things, they automatically go to sleep very late and consequently getting up very late in the morning. For some, it even becomes afternoon. This change in their daily routine will lead to lot of health issues like obesity, gastric problem, etc., which may have its own after effects. There is a great possibility of becoming addicted to such things. First, understand that you would not get such breaks very often in life. Thus, explore this rarity, the rare thing that is happening now. I can say that this will be a history in future. We are now living in a historical period. Experience this. Make efforts to learn something new. Painting, pencil sketching, dancing, cooking, photography, app development, programming, anything that interests you. There is no bound of online learning platforms for literally anything that you may want to learn. Next, read a lot of books, novels, history, politics, for that matter, whichever is interesting to you. They have the potential to transform you. Also, there are many classic and must-watch movies that can widen your perspectives and inspire you. Do watch quality movies. Further, utilizing this time to learn more about your own self can take you forward by many years. Think and analyze your strength, weakness and how your heart and your brain function. The more you know yourself, the more control you have over yourself and thus shall emanate more confidence and maturity. Apart from all this, I recommend taking a little time off to look at sunrise and sunset every day. This can be very calming and inspire you with beautiful ideas. Keep a journal to note the impact of such things on you. All of this will add value to your mind and shield you from gloomy thoughts. Yet, to be physically fit is a necessity. A strong immune system is the need of the hour. So, eat well, drink lot of water, work out, exercise, yoga, meditation, your choice. At least sit quietly, closing your eyes for 5 to 7 minutes and observe your breathing. As said earlier, your stomach should go inside while breathing out and vice versa. Such fitness regimes will not just reward you physically, but improve your discipline and self-control. Do this and you will see the magic. A surprising consequence of this lockdown is the enforced family time. Make sure it turns out to be valuable and create memories. Play games with family, carom, dumb charades, PlayStation, anything, but as a group. My dear students, boys and girls, help your parents in their household activities and spread the positive vibes around. Our faculty members are taking enormous efforts in keeping you engaged. They are in constant touch with you and your parents also. All teachers have created the Google Classroom for their subjects and uploaded the study materials, including the video lectures they prepared. They have completed teaching the Unit 5 portions through the online facilities such as Zoom, Google Meet, etc. Of course, we have conducted the revision test, Part A test for making you understand the concepts better. Further to preparing you in the current semester subjects, teachers are helping those students who have arrears in their first semester subjects also. You should note one point here. As you see at your home, how much work your mother is doing, particularly during this period where every one of your family members are at home. The same kind of a situation in the teacher's home also, right? One more thing, all of us are learning the new technologies like Google Classroom, preparing the lecture video, Zoom, etc. and using it. Hope you will join with me in appreciating our teachers and be grateful for their efforts taken for your sake. But it is disheartening to see the percentage of students utilizing all these initiatives is not up to our expectations. Many students are not attending the Zoom classes. As I said earlier, maybe those are engaging themselves in other activities, or because it is announced that the university examinations will be conducted during the starting of the next semester. See, the starting of the next semester is not too far. For you, the actual schedule of university examinations itself on May 10th. The reopening of next semester was given as July 1st. You can refer the academic calendar whatever we have given you earlier. We expect that once all these issues are settled, the next semester will be started little ahead of the reopening date and the examinations will be scheduled. So, I request you not to be misled by the rumors, but treat this period as your study holidays. We will schedule the model examinations shortly and we expect all of you to take the examinations in a serious manner as these marks are needed to give you the internal marks. I wish to conclude this by reminding you the short story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. One summer day in a field, the grasshopper was hopping about and chirping and singing. And an ant was passing by, bearing along with great efforts. It was carrying a corn. He was taking it to his nest. "Why don't you come and chat with me?" asked the grasshopper. "Instead of toiling your life away, enjoy the good summer now." For that, the ant replied, "I am helping to store up food for the winter." And it also said, "I recommend you also to do the same." Why bother about winter?" said the grasshopper. "We have got plenty of food at present." But the ant continued its work. The winter came. You will know what has happened. The grasshopper found itself dying of hunger while it could see the ants distributing every day corn and grains from the stores they have had collected in summer. Then the grasshopper understood, work today and you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Make use of the available facilities and the time available now like the ants, then you need not repent like the grasshopper later. Further, keep in touch with your friends, motivate each other to become better persons and grow consistently. At the end of all this, let us hope to come out not just alive but also as an improved version of ourselves. Stay safe, have fun, improve your skill set. Thank you.